slumber party set up over here for my friend who's leaving to Illinois this Tuesday. Her name is Trishika. So let's just rewind the video. Stop laughing. Anyways, let's rewind the video and see how we've done this. So yeah, let's go. To make a canopy, you need some net. I got this from a local store over here, a clothing store, and it cost me around 60 rupees per meter. I got around 12 meters for the size of my room. And then the next thing you need are these adhesive hooks and some safety pins. First, you want to take a safety pin like this and then pin it to the net. However, based on how you want to hang it, just pin it to the net. And once you've done that, stick your adhesive hook wherever you want to hang the net and just hang it like this, and that's it.
We've started by hanging the curtain around the bed like a canopy. This is the place where you take advantage of all your tall friends. As you can see, my friend has done all the work while we just assisted her. To hang anything else on these curtains like string lights or balloons, we're going to use these wooden clips that I've shown you from my Singapore haul. Next, you want to start hanging the string lights wherever you've placed the adhesive hooks. Next, you want to mask the wall behind the canopy so that it doesn't look out of place. We used a white bed sheet over here to mask the wall behind it, and then added a few balloons and we were good to go. We wanted this place to be pretty simple, so I just got this ribbon hang over here and we just added a few balloons and that's it.